In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change price per guest on Booking.com. This setup is often called occupancy-based pricing, and it lets you charge differently depending on how many people stay in a room or unit. It's perfect if you want to reward solo travelers with a lower price or add a fare supplement when extra guests use more utilities or amenities. Start by opening your Booking.com extranet in a desktop browser. From the top menu, go to Rates and Availability and select Calendar. The calendar is where your prices and availability live day by day, and it's also where the guest-based settings sit inside each rate plan. On the left side of the calendar, find your rate plan. You'll see a small link that either says Set if you haven't configured this yet, or it may show something like 2 guests. Click that link to open the Edit Guest Price window. This is the control center for specifying how your price changes when occupancy changes. First, choose your base occupancy. This is the number of guests your main price is built around, commonly 2 people, but choose what reflects your standard setup. Think of the base as the anchor price. Everything else is calculated from here. If your listing is most often booked by 2 guests, using 2 as the base usually makes your pricing easiest to manage. Next, customize the price for different guest counts. For more guests than the base, increase the price to cover the extra cost. For fewer guests than the base, decrease the price to make the listing attractive to smaller parties. You can set these adjustments as a fixed amount, like adding a flat fee per extra guest, or as a percentage, such as adding or reducing by 10%. Use fixed amounts when your extra costs are predictable, like linens or cleaning, and percentages when you want the adjustment to scale with seasonality. You can also toggle individual guest levels on or off and assign different values per level, giving you fine-grained control for each occupancy. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Your changes apply to new bookings right away. Existing reservations won't be altered. A few important notes before you wrap up. If you don't see the option to edit guest pricing, you may need to enable pricing per guest in your extranet first. For full control, use the extranet rather than the Pulse app. If you work with a channel manager, remember that pricing rules may sync from there, so keep your source of truth consistent. And finally, this feature only works if your room or unit allows more than 1 guest.